So let's start with chapter number 5, probability, maths 1, standard 10. So what you are know the meaning of word probability? Probability means possibilities, prediction, possibilities for the future. As we toss a coin, so what we can see if we toss the coin like this, you can toss a coin, correct? Or you can see the things in the cricket match where they toss the coins. So what we see, what are the possibilities? Possibilities are whether we get head, H, whether we get tail, that is T. So it means number of sample space. S means sample space. There is two possibilities when you tossed a coin. If two coins are tossed, what are the possibilities? Whether we get head, or we get head tail, or we get tail head, or we get tail tail. It means number of S equals to 4. If 3 coins are tossed, so what you get? Then we get head, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail, T. It means number of S equals to 8. This way, when you tossed a coin, if you toss one coin, there is simple way you can say head or tail. Two coins, so you get the number of sample spaces 4. If you toss 3 coin, so it is a simple method to be remember it. What the method to remember it? See, you have to write down 4 times H. First you can write down H, like this. Then write the T. Then write down H T H T. Then T T T T. Then H T T. Then H T H T. That is the method to remember it. Here it is 4. Here it is 2. Here it is 1. This way you can learn the method. Is it clear to all of you? I hope that it is clear. 4 to 1. So now the next part. Now we're going to learn about die. Die, see, all of you know, you can play many games with this, correct? So you're getting the different number. So what did I? You get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means total number 6. That's the possibilities. When you throw a die, what do you get? You get the, so your sample space, the possibilities is 6 number, whether you get any one number. Now, if you thrown two dice together, so what do you get? This way we write down the sample space. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Like this, you write down the whole things. Okay, 2 series then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6. Here it is 5. Then 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So this way you write down. Is it clear? Then the next one. So here you get the total number is 36. Is it clear? Now the next part. We're going to learn about the playing card. As you know, there is 13 plus 13, 26 red color, 13 plus 13, 26 black color. This one the diamond, this one heart, this one club, and this one spade. Face card, 3 in diamond, 3 in heart, 3 in club and 3 in spade. It means 6 and 6, 12. Here you can go through this with a playing card A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the face card J, Q, K. Okay. I think it is clear. So how many total numbers? Total numbers are 52. This one is spade, heart, club and diamond cards. Total number is 52. Then the next one. Now, if you taken a coin and a die, so you tossed a coin and a die simultaneously. So, as we know the coin, we get H and T. In die, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we together write, then what we get? H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. It means, what do we get the number of S here? So number of S you get a 12. Is it clear? Hope that it is clear to all of you. Now next one. Now we start with practice set 5.1. Okay. What the 5.1? What is given there? How many possibilities are there in each of the following? So Vanita known the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit. She is planning to visit one of them her summer vacation. Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar, Sarovar, Tadoba, Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Mathiran, Anandwan. So count how many it is. 1. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means total visit number is 8. So that is the answer of first one. Any day of the week is to be selected randomly. As we know how many days are there? 7 days. Select one card from the pack of 52 cards. How many cards are there? 52 cards. One number from 10 to 20 is written in each card. Select one card randomly. So total number is 11 because as you count the 10. So 10 to 20, total number is 11. So that is your practice set 5.1. Now we start with practice set 5.2. The first one. What the first one? So now first one, for each of the following experiment, write sample space and number of sample points. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. So as already been seen, when a one coin and one die is thrown simultaneously, so that we get this. So that is your answer. So number of sample space is 12. And hence the required sample space are 12. Okay. Two-digit number are formed using digit 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digit. No need to repeat it. It means like 22, 33, 55. No need to write it. So form the digit. So 2 and 3. What do you form? 23. Then 2 and 5. What do you form? 25. Then 3 and 2. You form 32. Then 3 and 5. 35. Then 5 and 2. 52. Then 5 and 3. 53. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means sample points are 6. Hence the required number in sample space is 6. So that is your answer. That is your first one. Now we see the second one. Here in second one, what is given? The arrow is rotated and stop randomly on the disc. Here you can see in the disc the arrow is stop randomly in any one color. So find out on which color it may stop. So first write down all the name. What is written in that disc? Red, purple, orange, yellow, blue, green. That is your sample space. So how many are there? 6. So hence the number of color on which the arrow may stop is 6. It is clear? Now next one. What the third one is given there? In the month of March 2019, here you can see the calendar of March 2019. Find the day on which the date is multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 here to find out the which days it is. So it means multiple of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So here we can find the days now. 5. It is Tuesday. 10. Sunday. 15. Friday. 20. Wednesday. 25. Monday. And 30. Saturday. So Tuesday, Sunday, Friday, Wednesday, Monday, Saturday. It means total is 6. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The total number of days on which the day is multiple of 5 is 6. It is clear? Now next one. Fourth one. Form a road safety committee of from 2 boys and 2 girls. 2 boys B1, B2. 2 girls G1, G2. Complete the following activity. Write the sample space. Committee of 2 boys. So B1, B2. That is your answer. B1, B2. Committee of two girls. G1, G2. Committee of one boy and one girl. So it means B1, G1. Then B1, G2. Then B2, G1. Then B2, G2. So write down the sample space now. So this all we write down in sample space. So B1, B2, G1, G2, B1, G1, B1, G2, B2, G1, B2, G2. So it means total it is 6. So that is your answer. So this way we completed our practice set 5.2. So this you get in your next part. Now in the next part we can continue with the same chapter, this remaining 5.3 and 5.4. Okay, take care. Bye bye.